Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the 3 best Samsung Z Flip 2 cases you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The most affordable folding phone is well protected by the best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 cases. You will undoubtedly want to protect this device. Despite having a more durable body and an IPX8 water resistance rating, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has a fairly complex design, particularly around the hinge, and a good case can help keep everything in working order. And there are plenty of cases to choose from, thanks to a wide range of options designed specifically to fit Samsung's latest handset's flip phone design. The best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 cases add no bulk to the phone but are strong enough to withstand unexpected drops. Some models include extras such as a built-in kickstand, while others do not. I have prepared this video guide for the 3 best Samsung Z Flip 2 cases, so let's get started. 3. Spigen Tough Armor. Just because your phone flips closed doesn't mean there isn't room for a case that protects every inch of it, including the hinge. Spigen's Tough Armor case for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is made of TPU and polycarbonate, with an extra layer of shock resistance thanks to new foam technology that promises even better protection. This is one of the best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 cases because it includes a reinforced kickstand that you can use to sit back and enjoy media on your phone while also protecting its screen and camera. In addition, there is a cover to protect the Z Flip 3's hinge, ensuring that one of the handset's most important components is not damaged. New foam technology provides an additional layer of shock resistance. TPU and polycarbonate blend for dual drop and scratch resistance. The device is protected by raised edges and a sliding hinge design. To protect the screen and camera, precise cutouts and raised lips are used. Galaxy Z Flip 3 case is designed to fit the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. 2. OtterBox Symmetry Series. OtterBox only makes 2 Galaxy Z Flip 3 cases, the Thin Flex and this one, the Symmetry Flex. Unfortunately, the Thin Flex series feels cheap and is difficult to remove once installed on your phone. The Symmetry Flex, on the other hand, is a more durable and appealing case for the Z Flip 3. It's a translucent case with a black border that shows off your phone while also providing good drop protection. I only wish it came in a variety of colors. Compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, the case's sleek profile and precision design keep it securely attached, and all phone features work as expected. Long-lasting antimicrobial technology protects the case's exterior from many common bacteria, but it does not protect you or the screen. The case is simple to install and remove, and it is made of 60% recycled plastic. OtterBox provides a limited lifetime warranty. See website for details. 1. Vigo compatible. If you want an affordable case with an integrated ring that converts into a kickstand, this Vigo is a good option, though it appears more premium than it is. It is also available on Amazon under other brand names. I can't say how long it will last, but it has some nice features, such as a cover that slides up to protect the phone's camera and the ability to stick to a magnetic car mount. The one significant disadvantage is that it does not support wireless charging. Take note that certain color options are currently 25% off. The blue version is slightly more than $11 before tax. Military-grade drop-tested design for the release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G 2021. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 case does not support wireless charging. Please remove the case before charging wirelessly. With this upgraded Galaxy Z Flip 3 case's anti-peep function, you can easily slide the camera cover to protect your camera and privacy. 360 built-in kickstand ring stand. Kickstand case with vertical and horizontal angle can provide you with a comfortable viewing experience. Support magnetic car mount. Built-in metal patch allows you to easily affix your phone to the magnetic car holder. Not includes the magnetic car mount holder. You will receive We Guarantee lifetime customer service. If you have any questions, please contact us and we will respond as soon as possible. So guys, this was the video about the 3 best Samsung Z Flip 2 cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.